morning. Well, we moved from our beautiful camping spot by the water, come over here by the laundry facility in the office to get some laundry done. And while we're waiting for that to go, might as well make some coffee. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
So do you think there's any alligators at Alligator Point?
Well, we're going to find out this morning and see, or I guess this afternoon. We left the campground and we're out exploring a little bit. We had to head into the big town and head to Walmart to get our prescriptions refilled and get some supplies. And now we're going to check out Alligator Point.
I think the last time we were in this area, we didn't come this way because it was something I got scared of. Anything known as Alligator Point. Sure to have some alligators, right? So, kind of scary. But we'll see. We just passed through some swampy areas and they had some bike paths and things like that all screened up and whatnot. So I'm guessing for gators walking around. But we'll see. I like going out in these peninsulas. It's interesting. We went on St. George Island, and now we're going to go down to Alligator Point and see what happens. Right now, we're just going through a jungly forest. USA. This is on the bay side. Here's the end of Alligator Road. Alligator Point, I should say. And Alligator Road, I think this is called that. Yeah. Somebody's got a gated community here. These homes are over $1 million on the Gulf of America, in case you have the money to purchase. The land itself, if you find an empty lot, is $500,000 or more. There was one on the Bayside for $1.2 million. That piece of land. All these houses are over $1 million. Crazy. not traveling for $1 million. That's all I know. I need to ask what the rental charges are on some of these vacation rentals. Even that one probably is $1 million. This one here is probably $3 million. This humongous one. Would be my guess based on searches I've been doing for fun. Where are you, alligators? Where are you in that swampy mess? I know you're creeping around in there somewhere. See any gators in there? I don't see any eyeballs, snouts, or bubbles. Must be a residual of hurricanes. This is the turnaround point for Bald Point. You either pay to go further to the point, or you turn around here. This is Bald Point State Park. They've got some different trails and stuff, but we're not going there. After the storm, the tide is out. The sun's starting to come out, and we have a horizon line that's all in sun. Kind of cool. Take the first bite.
First bite should be the cornbread, but I'll do the chili.
Good?
And chili. That I like.
Little jiffy. Jiffy cornbread. So what's all in the chili? You added navy beans to the chili beans?
Right.
It's not the can of chili per se, is it? Or is it just chili beans?
It's a can of chili.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe it's the chili beans. I don't remember.
I think it's chili beans.
Just chili beans. Chili beans.
All right, this is going to be a loud night tonight, I think, later on.
Chili beans. Give the neighbors something to talk about.
Awesome. We've got a bright star right there. Can't figure out if that's the North Star, a planet. What is it? Astronomers, let us know. Astrologists? I don't know. People who know the stars. Wow, what a sunrise, huh? The contrast between that orange and that water is so cool. Oh, look at there's water on the table too. I should mention it's Happy Halloween Day.
Those birds are like us. All they do is eat.
We haven't had anything to eat yet. I've been awake 2 hours. I think I'm doing pretty good. Where else but VanLife would you have your nice camera next to your cooktop stove, ready to make your coffee?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It's the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass.
We are at the Waffle House. Why?
Why? 'Cause that's what I requested for my birthday
Birthday boy today.
breakfast. Although it's 12:30,